Well, it's 4:00 a.m. and we are going to be delivering a puppy to Las Vegas. So let's go get the puppy and we'll be on our way. And we have more excitement in here. While I've been sleeping, getting my couple of hours of sleep, Bayla's been in here giving birth. So Mark's been in here delivering puppies and she's on number 8 and we just have a few more to go. So lots of excitement today. We have arrived in the parking garage and little Miss Sage is still asleep. She is so sweet. I love her. You're a good girl. All right, let's go in and get you checked in. So she got a little sick on the car ride. So I hope that this tram doesn't make her more sick. For security, we're having a little motion sickness from the car ride and also for taking the tram and the train ride to get to this terminal. So she'll be all right. Hopefully the plane doesn't make her sick as well. So anyway, we're trying to comfort her and make her feel okay. Poor baby. We are in the family bathroom. There's a little pee pad if you gotta go. There's a little pee pad if you gotta go potty. She's like, I don't know how pee pads because I'm used to going outside and going potty like a big girl. Anytime I've traveled with a puppy and I've tried to put a pee pad down, they never use it. They just wait until they can get to outside grass because that's what they're trained to do. So she doesn't know what a pee pad is. But I thought I'd give her the opportunity before we do our first flight, and then we'll try it again once we get to Charlotte, and hopefully maybe she'll go potty in Charlotte. You doing okay, sugar? Oh, good girl. You've been a very good girl. Oh, do you need to go potty, sugar? We're in another family restroom. Just trying to see if she'll go potty. We had the pee pad over here, but she doesn't want anything to do with it. Come here. There you go. She's like, I just want to go back to bed. It's very comfy in there. Warm and comfy. Oh, you want to go back to bed? Go potty, baby. Go on. Come here. Come here, sugar. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can I go potty, sugar? You're doing better now. I think you had a good rest. That helped a lot, I think. Yeah, that helped. You're a good girl. So we are in the American Express Lounge. And actually this is a place where you can come and take a shower. But we thought that it would be just nice for the puppy to have some room to run and play on our layover. And maybe, just maybe, maybe she'll go potty. Come here, Sage. She's checking it out. Come here, sugar. Look, here's a pee pad. Here's a pee pad. Try to go potty, okay? Can you try? We got a long flight ahead of us all the way to Las Vegas. Yes, we're in Charlotte right now. And we have a long flight to Las Vegas. So I'd really like for her to go potty before we take the next trip. I'm not going to take her out to the pet relief area because she has not had all of her shots and that would not be a safe place to take her. So I'm just hoping that she'll do something here. So we'll give her some time and we'll just sit here and relax with her and maybe she'll go potty. Come here. Looky here. I think there's a doggy in the mirror. There's a doggy in the mirror. Look here. That's you. You're a beautiful girl. Look how pretty you are. Look how pretty you are. There you go. You're so pretty.
First plane ride.
Here we go. Headed to Las Vegas.
recover the whole way. So she did really good. We're going to meet her family now, so very exciting. Wow. Good, how are you? Got a cute out of her the whole way.
So this is where we're staying, Waldorf Astoria. Beautiful place. Coming to check in right now.
Do you have a key?
No. So this is our room. But this isn't what is most impressive about it. It's got a place to sit and do your stuff. Nice area here. And that's what I'll be doing later. You better believe it. Beautiful bathroom. Just beautiful. Beautiful place. This goes all the way through. Oh, scared me. This is where we're dining for lunch. Okay, it was really good.
It was.
Now dinner time, and then we're gonna go see a cirque show. We're gonna go see Ka. So I'm real excited about that. We've seen the show before. It's really wonderful. Looking forward to it. So this is where we're staying. Very nice place. And this is our view. So the whole strip. Very nice.
Going out to dinner to Bardo Brasserie, and we are here, so can't wait. So we just got back from Bardo Brasserie. It was good, very good. It was a French restaurant. We really enjoyed it. And when we got back, we saw that our puppy customer that we delivered the dog to gave us some macaroons. Very sweet family. Very nice of them to do that. And Sage is doing very well at her new home. Very happy for that. And we'll be leaving tomorrow and headed back home.
So we still have one more event for the evening. We're gonna go see Ka. So very excited to go see that again. We saw it before. It was a wonderful show. Looking very forward to that. And we'll be doing that next. Well, we are back from seeing Ka. It was an amazing show, and we are super tired since we've been up since 4 a.m. and it is now 11 o'clock Vegas time, which would be what, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock our time? Anyway, we're tired. We're going to bed. Got to get up early and get ready to go home. So we had a good night's rest, and Sage is doing very well with her new family, and we are headed back home to see Mark and all the other kids. Can't wait to get home. So this is breakfast, an avocado toast, blueberry muffin, another muffin, some coffee, another avocado toast.
Yummy.
Looks amazing.